Watching the morning news, and it is also question time for Suresh Kalmadi today in the AM film scam. He's being summoned by the CBI for another round of questioning. Joining me live for more on the story is Madhav and Sanket. Madhav, if I could come to you first. Now, the CBI is going to be questioning him armed with a new set of evidence that they've brought back from London. What is the expected line of questioning going to be?
Well, really, in fact, that is what we've learned as far as the CBI is concerned. Of course, that trip to London certainly something that was very crucial for the CBI in really establishing the role of Suresh Kalmadi, is what sources say, as far as his links with the entire AM Films deal. That is something that is going to be looked at very closely. One of the major subjects really of the interrogation, as well as, of course, the entire TSR scam, in which, in fact, we already know Lalit Bhanot and VK Verma, other officials and aides were close to Suresh Kalmadi in the CWG OC. They are already, in fact, being charged sheeted. So very clearly, as far as Suresh Kalmadi is concerned, fresh evidence that the CBI hopes to be able to confront him with at today's question. We must remember Suresh Kalmadi has been evading the media. He was summoned even as late as 2 weeks ago, but in fact claiming that he was abroad due to a pre-arranged commitment really with the International Athletics Federation, and that's why he couldn't make it, avoiding really that round of interrogation at that point of time. But today, of course, it seems Suresh Kalmadi will not have any more excuses really to be giving to the CBI. He will, of course, would have to appear at the CBI headquarters right here. You can see behind me, in fact, security being really beefed up right here in the morning itself. Really arrangements being made. We're told Kalmadi could be here within the next 1.5 hours or so. So really, one needs to see what takes place at this crucial investigation as far as Suresh Kalmadi is concerned. We must remember that this interrogation would certainly be crucial in pressing charges against Suresh Kalmadi, who is yet not been charged by the CBI.
Right, Madhav. Sanket, if I could come to you now. Kalmadi and his aides have earlier told the CBI time and again that there were other bids, but they were not competitive enough. A fact that has been found to be, these bids are found to be forged and fake by the CBI.
Well, definitely the CBI in its preliminary investigations has definitely found that the entire process that was adopted by the Commonwealth Games Organizing Committee in actually procuring these deals or getting them through was not by the best of means that is available, and that was precisely why they wanted questioning of all these people, Kalmadi as well as all his aides. We have seen in the past that the aides have not been able to give a satisfactory answer to the CBI. Many of them have in fact even gone to the Tihar jail. Now what we are learning from our sources is that today is the day in this month itself when the CBI has asked Kalmadi to appear. This is the third time the CBI has asked him to appear. On the earlier two occasions, he has in fact cited some personal reasons because of which he could not come. This time around, he has definitely confirmed that he will go and attend this particular questioning. Now, the CBI is also maintaining that if Suresh Kalmadi is not able to provide a satisfactory answer, then in that case, they could also be compelled to arrest him, and arrest could perhaps be imminent. But of course, considering he's a member of parliament, there are a lot of, issues that need to be taken care of by the Central Bureau of Investigations. They need to have their case watertight. Now, on the other hand, Suresh Kalmadi has made it very clear that due process of the law will take its own course. He has followed all the normal practices that are supposed to be followed. There are no anomalies. That's the line he continues to maintain, saying that any decision that was taken by the aides and not himself. So completely, living in oblivion as far as Suresh Kalmadi is concerned. It will be very interesting to see what line of questioning the CBI will take and eventually what answer Suresh Kalmadi gives.